Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the January Bellabox, so let's get into it. So we have the first box of 2021. How exciting. January box. Let's get into it. So the first thing I see is, ooh, NudebyNature. This is, there are 1 of 2 samples available of NudebyNature's 100% natural, 100% toxic-free makeup essentials. A loose mineral powder foundation delivers sheer to full coverage with a satin radiant finish and SPF 15. Meanwhile, its smoothing silicone-free primer creates an even base for makeup while extending wear. So it looks like I got the powder foundation rather than the primer. I haven't tried any of these products, but I do sell NudebyNature at my work, so it's probably good for me to actually give this stuff a go, just so I know how to, you know, help people out. So you'll either receive the mineral cover foundation in light medium or medium. So I got light medium. And the full size is $39.95, but this is just a sample. And it comes with a mini kabuki brush as well, or you could get the primer, which is $29.95 for the full size. Again, that would have just been a you know, sample, but it's available at Chemist Warehouse, Big W, My Priceline, Target, independent pharmacies, which is, I guess, where I work, and nudebynature.com.au. So how cute is that? A little brush and a little powder foundation. I actually might give this a go on the weekend to see how I like it. And that brush is just to die for, and the whole like setup of this, it's like really cute how it's like the little, there it is, like I think that's really cute, and it's nice to see, you know, products that are Australian and makeup, and it's in the box, and it's a decent one. It comes with the brush as well, so yeah, I'm really excited about this product. Next, we have another makeup product. It is a Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer. I do have one of these. It's in a different shade than this, which is why I chose this, because we could choose between these or little eyeshadow donuts, but I just didn't really see any of those eyeshadows that I wanted. I've got like a full drawer of eyeshadows, but I do like this concealer, and it was a chance to get another shade. And the fact that this one's massive, the one I have is not this big. So this is full size. Enjoy one of these full size items from Revolution, perfect for glamming you up this new year. While the donut shadow palettes deliver a mix of 5 matte and shimmer finishes, the Supersize Concealer provides lightweight but full coverage to cover any blemishes and counteract dark circles with a long-lasting matte finish. So the concealer comes in C4, C6, C10 or C13. So I got C4, which is the lightest. The one that I have, I think, is C1, which was like the lighter shade they had. And it sucks that C4 is the lightest that is being offered in the box, but it does give me a chance to, you know, have a concealer should I have a fake tan one day or something, you know. I do have a, it's not like I'm getting, you know, something I already have. It is another shade. And then the donut eyeshadow palettes, they came in raspberry icing, strawberry sprinkles, or chocolate dipped. So this concealer retails for $14 at Priceline, and the eyeshadows were $13.50 at Priceline. So yeah, love this product as well. Off to a great start. And here we go again. This box is turning out amazing. We have another makeup product. It is a Carroten Murrell lipstick, and that packaging, guys, is so pretty with like the little sparkly flowers on the girl, and oh, it's such cute packaging. So it's a full-size lipstick, Carroten Murrell Pink Scarlet Natural Lipstick. This is full size. It retails for $30 at Priceline and Terry White. Look Pretty in Pink with Karen Murrell's creamy natural lipstick. Its rich emollient properties ensure long-lasting color, with avocado milk providing moisture and hydration, and cinnamon giving fuller and plumper lips. Plus, it's added even primrose oil is rich in omega-6 to smooth and moisturize. So yeah, this is really exciting. So it slides like that. Wow, they've really improved their packaging compared to like just the plain black ones that they used to do for the lipsticks. Yeah, so that is a beautiful color. So that is the color swatched. It is relatively sheer, but I have put that on like a few swipes so you can build up the color based on like your preference, but that is a really pretty color as well. So if you just wanted like a light sweep of color, you could just go over your lips once. If you want to build up the color, just go over a few times. So yeah, it is pretty customizable and it's really like creamy. So yeah, that's a really great product. I'm really excited about that. Now, I feel like I've gotten this in a box before. Not entirely sure, but I have one sitting with my sunscreens in my sunscreen drawer. So where else would I have gotten it from other than Bellabox? It is the Carroten SPF 50 Plus Aquavelvet Moisturising Suncare Milk. This is just a sample, but the full size is $17.99 at Chemist Warehouse. Aquavelvet Moisturising Suncare Milk SPF 50 Plus provides broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection to the skin from the most harmful sun rays. It pampers the skin, offering a velvety soft feeling. Its innovative formula contains the dual advanced moisture balance system, hyaluronic acid and betaine, that provides rich hydration and strengthens skin's lipid barrier function. So yeah, I will get to this one eventually. I already have one waiting to be used. So yeah, that one is a good one to stash away. And last but not certainly least, we have another ES2 face mask. I think I'm collecting all of them at this point. I'm getting all of them in the boxes and every different one every time. So this is just a single use. Add a Yes2 treat to your self-care routine and be on your way to achieving glowy skin. Each product is formulated with natural ingredients to pamper skin and target a specific skin concern, from soothing and moisturizing skin with cucumbers to detoxify and purify pores with tomatoes. They are paraben-free, cruelty-free, and made with 95% natural ingredients. You'll receive either a ES2 Tomatoes Detoxifying 3-in-1 Mask, Scrub and Cleanser, which retails for $7.99, or this paper mask, which the full size is $5.99 at Priceline. So yeah, I will add that to my little mask collection and we'll see when I get to use it. And then it wouldn't be Bellabox without a HelloFresh card. I personally probably won't use it, but that's all right. And then we also have a little card from NudebyNature. It's actually 40% off if you use the promo code natural40 at checkout. I think you can use it at Big W, Chemist Warehouse, Maya, Priceline, Target. So like the bigger places, I don't know if the pharmacy that I work at would accept this. We might, like if someone else came in with it, I would totally like do it, but I'm not going to take it in and get 40% off for myself, to be honest. But I will say the little small writing, it does tell you what you can and cannot redeem it with. So, you know, I would just, you know, not get the 40% off and try and support my place of work. But yeah, if you wanted to get a good discount off of NudebyNature, because they are not exactly the cheapest drugstore brand, 40% off is a great bargain. So that's everything in the box. So looking at all the products we got in the box this month, I'm actually really excited. This is a great box. We got 3 makeup products. I can't remember the last time that happened. It's usually 1 or none. So the fact that we've got a concealer, a lipstick, and a powder foundation, which is all either full size or decent sample size, like, hello, this is great. The sunscreen, it's like nothing I'm like excited about, but it's not an awful product. I just have this already. And the face mask is always a fun little treat. But no bonus. Did Bellabox stop giving us bonuses? Because we didn't get one last time either. So Bellabox, if you happen to be watching this, what happened? Like, I would love to know. Is it a COVID thing or is it a cost saving thing? Either way, I miss the samples. So yeah, let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of your box? Did we get any of the same products? And what you guys think? Let me know. Let's have a convo in the comment section. So yeah, this box definitely gives a big thumbs up from me. I just wish I had a little bonus sample, but yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.